Good morning. Ayan, mag-breakfast na naman kami, guys. Ayan. Ano sa'yo? Okay. 2 and 1. Thank you so much. Thank you. Please.
Thank you.
Thank you. Porridge. Day 7 na namin, guys. Lapit na kami uuwi. Day 7 na kami. Okay. 3 lang kami kasi tinakasan namin yung isa. What? Eh? Ayan, 3 lang kami kaya tinakasan namin yung isa. Ayan, kasama namin. Tcharan! Kain lang kami, guys. Kita nyo ba? Morning. Nandito na kami. Breakfast. Busy si Ante. Nakain na naman kami.
So once I finish that, I will go away.
Kain tayo.
Straight to me. No, I really went there 4 times.
Oh yeah.
What business? But the problem was,
Gaya.
we are not winning because of one thing, because of other companies. Other companies who were so competitive because the market is so massive now.
Nakagpugso.
They don't have
Tao, guys.
people morning ladder is the character whole day the bull.
Ngao yêu cầu á, yêu cầu ngao dọc ngao sạch 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 nước sủi nếu thì đi sống phải xứ sạch cái softer cái softer nó better
Sagu mango.
mango pudding.
Thank you.
Got the sago ball and very nice sago ball and what else? Sago grapefruit and
Dessert na. Parehas kami tiga sa Auntie. Simot. Naubos. City of Hall. May mga kababayan tayo dyan, no? Nagasayawan, guys. Marami sila nakatambay doon, no? Hindi kakasali. nagasayawan sila dyan. No? Daran!
Meanwhile.
Kain guys, oy. Dry soup. Egg, and this one. Kain tayo. Ito mga bida. Take away foods man yan. Nakanan ko. Wow, surap. Nagutom ako. Ay, ang sakit na lalamunan ko. May throat pain. Throat pain. Okay, guys. This is... Okay, kain tayo guys.